Check the latest NSE 7_EFW-6.4 questions and answers for your Fortinet NSE 7 Enterprise Firewall 6.4 exam. Passcert team new updated the latest NSE 7_EFW-6.4 real dumps to help you prepare for your NSE 7 exam well and help you pass your exam successfully. Question 1. What is the purpose of an internal segmentation firewall, ISFW? A. It inspects incoming traffic to protect services in the corporate DMZ. B. It is the first line of defense at the network perimeter. C. It splits the network into multiple security segments to minimize the impact of breaches. D. It is an all-in-one security appliance that is placed at remote sites to extend the enterprise network. Answer: C. Question 2. Which of the following statements are correct regarding application layer test commands? Choose 2. A. They are used to filter real-time debugs. B. They display real-time application debugs. C. Some of them display statistics and configuration information about a feature or process. D. Some of them can be used to restart an application. Answer: C, D. Question 3. Which two statements about the security fabric are true? Choose 2. A. Only the root FortiGate collects network information and forwards it to FortiAnalyzer. B. FortiGate uses FortiTelemetry protocol to communicate with FortiAnalyzer. C. All FortiGate devices in the security fabric must have bidirectional FortiTelemetry connectivity. D. Branch FortiGate devices must be configured first. Answer: B, C. Question 4. The CLI command set intelligent mode controls the IPS engine's adaptive scanning behavior. Which of the following statements describes IPS adaptive scanning? A. Determines the optimal number of IPS engines required based on system load. B. Downloads signatures on demand from FDS based on scanning requirements. C. Determines when it is secure enough to stop scanning session traffic. D. Choose a matching algorithm based on available memory and the type of inspection being performed. Answer: C. Question 5. Which of the following conditions must be met for a static route to be active in the routing table? Choose 3. A. The next hop IP address is up. B. There is no other route to the same destination with a higher distance. C. The link health monitor, if configured, is up. D. The next hop IP address belongs to one of the outgoing interface subnets. E. The outgoing interface is up. Answer: C, D, E. Question 6. Which two statements about FortiManager is true when it is deployed as a local FDS? Choose 2. A. It caches available firmware updates for unmanaged devices. B. It can be configured as an update server, or a rating server, but not both. C. It supports rating requests from both managed and unmanaged devices. D. It provides VM license validation services. Answer: A, D. Question 7. What events are recorded in the crash logs of a FortiGate device? Choose 2. A. A process crash. B. Configuration changes. C. Changes in the status of any of the FortiGuard licenses. D. System entering to and leaving from the proxy conserve mode. Answer: A, D. Question 8. Two independent FortiGate HA clusters are connected to the same broadcast domain. The administrator has reported that both clusters are using the same HA virtual MAC address. This creates a duplicated MAC address problem in the network. What HA setting must be changed in one of the HA clusters to fix the problem? A. Group ID. B. Group name. C. Session pickup. D. Gratuitous ARPs. Answer: A. Question 9. How does FortiManager handle FortiGuard requests from FortiGate devices when it is configured as a local FDS? A. FortiManager can download and maintain local copies of FortiGuard databases. B. FortiManager supports only FortiGuard push to manage devices. C. FortiManager will respond to update requests only if they originate from a managed device. D. FortiManager does not support rating requests. Answer: A. Question 10. When using the SSL certificate inspection method to inspect HTTPS traffic, how does FortiGate filter web requests when the client browser does not provide the server name indication (SNI) extension? A. FortiGate uses the requested URL from the user's web browser. B. FortiGate uses the CN information from the subject field in the server certificate. C. FortiGate blocks the request without any further inspection. D. FortiGate switches to the full SSL inspection method to decrypt the data. Answer: B.